This is November 18th, I believe. It's been like this all day. Tremendous amount of wind, but it's warm, which is strange, very strange for this type of year. What happens with these large trees, this one isn't that large, but if you have an older tree like this one, and if the wind keeps hitting it hour after hour after hour, they can cause a small crack, especially where they might have a bug infestation. And if they do that, then what is that? But you can see the wind. Look at over here. And I know this doesn't have anything to do with the Mayan apocalypse, but I'd like to make a video of it. Look at that. Now that would cause a real problem if that fell over. What are you guys doing? I'm watching the wind.
You need like a skateboard and like a little kite.
Yeah, yeah. It's windy as hell out here. That was my son and his friend. Mini-me. Seems to be getting worse with the light rain. And if this continues, especially with these older trees like this, they can break. You may have a termite infested or some type of thing like that. I hope it doesn't get worse. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear that wind up there.